To ensure a smooth experience with your Coinbase account and prevent future payment blocks, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you maintain compliance and avoid issues with transactions. Step 1. Verify your identity. Complete the identity verification process on Coinbase. This includes providing personal information and uploading necessary documents. Ensuring your account is fully verified helps prevent blocks. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Activate two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. This requires a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Step 3. Monitor your transactions. Keep an eye on your transaction history and ensure all activities are legitimate. If you notice any suspicious transactions, report them immediately to Coinbase support to prevent potential blocks. Step 4. Use a consistent payment method. Stick to a single payment method for deposits and withdrawals. Frequent changes in payment methods can raise red flags and lead to blocks. Choose a reliable bank account or card and use it consistently. Step 5. Stay informed about policies. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your Coinbase account remains in good standing and avoid future payment blocks. Staying proactive and informed is key to a smooth experience.